पॉलिटिकल स्टेटमेंट येतकच सगळे म्हाका विचारपाक लागले तुमगे पोजिशन कितें. मिकीन वॉलंटरी एक स्टेटमेंट केला की आपण परतून आपल्या घर वत म्हणून आपण पळयलो सगळो संवसार आनी आतां घर येत म्हणटो. हें तेजे मना जालें तें आमकां बरें दिसलें. कित्याक हें सारकें रिजनल पक्ष आमकां जाय, आमगेलें घर आमकां जाय, घर आमी सांबाळपा जाय. तें तूं कितलोय भायर सरून वचूं तुका तर रियलायजेशन येता नंतर येता की आपण आपल्या घर जाग्यार घालचें म्हणून हें सारकें. आनी हे येवजण सारकी. कित्याक घर जाग्यार तर भायल्यान रावन तुज्यान घर जाग्यार घालपा जायना. घरा भितर सरून तर घर जाग्यार घालपा जाय. बाबूश जावं चर्चिल जावं मागीर तुगेलो फिलीप जावं एक लिडरशीप घेवन बसल्या. आमी सगळीं तर एकठांय जावं लिडरशीप कितली स्ट्रॉंग जातली पळया तुमी. आनी गोंय सांबाळटा जाय गोंयच्या पुतांनीच सांबाळपा जाय. गोंयची येवजण पळय उरता तेणीच सांबाळपा जाय. हे भायले लोक जो येवन सांगता आमकां करप्शन नाका हें नाका म्हणून. करप्शन जें आसा इट कॅनॉट बी अ वन मॅन शो. This party cannot be inherited by a man like Babush. It cannot be inherited. He has no character. He has no program. He has nothing for the state. All he has is himself and his vice. And if we are going to support him, we must take a look at his character. And he cannot by any chance represent the Goans. And we have no character like his. Therefore, you can't call him United Goans.
You had given him the ticket.
We have given them. I will even now say that to take Goa forward, we require the good, the bad, and the ugly. So if there is someone who is ugly and working for a program for the state, he is welcome. We will not care about the other things that he has done. Yes, anybody is welcome. All of them are welcome. All of them are welcome. I am only saying that this is the only party that is successor to the UG, United Goans.